The Food Book. Dr. Seuss' Wacky Book of Opposites. Let's see. Left foot, right foot. Left foot, right. What's the opposite of left foot? It's the right foot. Feet in the day, feet in the night. So the opposite of day is night. Wet foot, dry foot. The opposite of wet is dry. High foot, low foot. The opposite of high is low. Back feet, front feet. The opposite of front is back. Yes. How many different feet you meet? Feet, feet, feet. Slow feet, quick feet. The opposite of slow is quick or fast. Well feet, sick feet. The opposite of well is sick. Up feet, down feet. Here come clown feet. The opposite of up is down. Small feet, big feet. The opposite of small is big. Here come big feet. His feet, her feet. The opposite of his is her. Fussy fur feet. In the house, bless you, bless you. In the house and on the street, how many different feet you meet? Oops, all done now.